Hello, my name is Neil Popel, and I would like to excel my good communication skills, and I want to be a medical assistant.
How Neil has grown since he joined with Transition and Career Studies program. We cannot expect better than this. We are very happy what he has been doing here. No one can pass by without Neil's greeting. That's right, Neil.
Yes.
Disability Rights New Jersey worked selflessly and relentlessly, day and night, I would say. I gave up. As a parent, my wife, myself, we gave up. We would have been lost without their help. We wouldn't be here today. Neil wouldn't be here at the Georgian court. Disability Rights New Jersey was able to unlock the funding resources from DVRS. I want to see them, they're on the right track. They get the good education, good job, and like Neil says,
And joyful life.
and joyful life.
Transition services are services that the school is supposed to provide to youth age 14 to 21 to help them prepare for life after high school. So if that student has a particular goal of going to college or vocational school, getting a job, moving out, and moving into their own place, the high school is supposed to help them by setting up special and really individualized services to help them get there. And that can be done through community experiences, internships, classes, all sorts of things. And if the youth has a job goal specifically, they can also set them up with the Division of Vocational Rehabilitation Services to help with that.
Disability Rights New Jersey is the designated protection and advocacy agency for the state of New Jersey. Our mission as a protection and advocacy agency is rooted in federal law, creating a society where individuals with disabilities focus on fostering independence, autonomy, self-choice and decision-making, integration into the community, access to competitive integrated employment, living in homes in the community, not in institutions, all the same things that people who don't have disabilities take for granted.
Myself and my staff are often in the field, so we are on site at facilities and can walk around and explore the conditions. We can talk to all of the individuals who are there to really hear from them what the issues are, what the problems are that they're facing, and unfortunately where there may be abuse and neglect. There's individuals in jails, there's individuals in psychiatric hospitals, there's schools, there's so many settings where the need for our presence is so great.
The pandemic revealed all of these systems problems in New Jersey that we had a sense of, but not the depth of the problem, is that the pandemic really shined a light on what was going on in nursing homes.
Most recently, with a nursing home that is known as Woodland. The place has been closed by the state of New Jersey, Department of Health, because of some really god-awful things that we had seen there. People we spoke to reported many situations that they were living with, and what we had our eyes on was an atrocity. Each person wanted to know was, how can you help me get out of here? So I'm so sorry. This is like touching my heart because they became very close to me. They matter.
We have a list of nearly 600 people with intellectual and developmental disabilities that are living in nursing facilities all throughout the state. The list of people that we have are in about 210 facilities. So we are going to as many of those facilities as we can and trying to see as many of those people as we can.
The advocacy side works kind of like a nonprofit law firm, right? Individual clients or prospective clients can call us, can ask for our help. If the problem they're having fits within one of the priorities that our board sets for us, then we can help them. If it falls outside of one of those priorities, we might give them a referral and some general information to try to get them into the right hands to another agency that can help them.
The Juvenile Justice Project at Disability Rights New Jersey focuses on the school to confinement pipeline, and we do that in 2 ways. The first way is court-based advocacy, where we provide the public defenders and other court stakeholders with information about the youth and their disability and how that might play a role in the proceedings and the charges that they face. The second way is to ensure that they have the educational advocacy they need so they have the proper supports and services in place to really appreciate and contribute positively to the community and school. The school to prison or school to confinement pipeline is not a one-way street. It's actually a superhighway, and it's really important that you think about it like that because it's not just the initial arrest that leads them to their stay in detention or their stay in adult prison. It actually is when they go back to school and they get in trouble again, or they get disciplined or suspended, expelled, or even informally removed that puts them back out on the street and lacking education. And the pipeline just continues to run back and forth until they reach adulthood. Disability Rights New Jersey's ultimate hope for this project is not just that we help the youth who are involved in the criminal justice system, but that we divert youth from the juvenile justice system.
We are the stewards of federal funds for the benefit of individuals with disabilities. And so every day, I think we have to bring our all to this work because it is privileged work that we do.